Hi, this is Miss Hill being consistent. Amen, somebody. This is the part 2 of the first part of the video where I talk about how you can make extra money as a radio and TV presenter. So please, if you haven't seen the first part, shall go and see the first part. I shared how you could be a voice actor on a very professional level, how you can go into media consultancy, and today I'm dropping 2 more tips. The first is program sponsorship. If you are an OAP or a presenter, I'm sure you're familiar with what that is. So how about you create sellable programs and market it? Often I've heard presenters say, oh, I'm not a marketer. But you know the truth. You are the owner of the show. Who best to sell that show? It's you. It's your show. So why don't you create a show targeted at, let's say, a certain company that is into a certain line of business? What do I mean by this? You have a health show. 2 ways. Either you already have an existing show that you can sell to a client, or you create a show, which means you can have a list of companies or organizations and what they do and see how it fits into you. Because at the end of the day, you also have to remember your branding, your station's branding. If you're a talk station, if you're a music station, find clients that are in those lines of businesses. There are lots of clients and lots of organizations that are into various things. So why don't you do tailor-made programs for them? For example, I have a health show. Who can I approach to sponsor something, create something on your health segment? Oh, okay. Can I write something to World Health Organization? Will they answer me? There are many fishes. You can just go into the ocean, peek, drop proposals. This is what and what I can do. Would you be willing to sponsor it? So you get a cut. Obviously, that's legal. You get a cut or commission, however your organization calls it. It's a win-win again for yourself and for the organization. And you go home with change in your pocket, more than change actually, because depending on the organization, you would be going home smiling. Then the second one is what I call media consultancy. Promax. Oh yes, that one is very sweet. Unpopular opinion. Some people are doing it low-key, but this one again is not for rookies. Unless you are a rookie and you're making waves already. You can hold a listenership base, you have a voice, you have what it takes. How does this one work? So there are many struggling media organizations. I'm not throwing shade at anyone. There are also new media organizations. So I submit a proposal to them and I tell them, hey, I can grow your listenership base. I can, in the next 3 months, ensure that you get 10,000 new listeners. I'm just going to work with you guys for 3 months. You sign a rich contract and hey, everybody smiles at the bank. You deliver on your own part. You move on after 3 months. Another media organization who is either maybe struggling or they need to increase their media base. It might not be the organization as a whole. It could be maybe there's a particular show that is struggling on the ratings and you need to revive, and you have what it takes. You can draw listenership. So that's also another way you can make extra income. Package these things. Remember these 4 tips. You can be a voice artist. 1 and 2, you can go into media consultancy. 3, program sponsorships. And 4, media consultancy Promax. I think that's the one I'm actually totally loving. But thank you so much for watching. More videos are coming your way. You can share this with all the presenters you know, people who would be learning from this. 8 years experience is a lot, and I'm willing to dish out as much as I can. Thank you for following the journey.